So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to install plugins here in ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT. Once it is open, go to the top left and then go to start a new chat or press on ChatGPT right here to start a new chat. Then go to the top left and for me it says ChatGPT 4. Simply just press on that to open up this option screen right here. Then go down to the bottom to where it says plugins and press on plugins right here. Now where it says no plugins install, if you want to install a plugin, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the top, press on plugins right here. Now for me, I actually have three plugins, installed. I have Canva, SEO Assistant, and Photorealistic. But if you want to go to the plugin store to view some other ones, go to the plugin store right here. Then you can view popular, you can go to new, you can go to all, you can search up a plugin if you want as well, and then simply just press install. So we're just going to go to popular right here. And how about this one right here where it says AI diagrams? We'll just go ahead and press on install right here. It's now going to take a couple seconds to install. And once that is done, which hopefully is fairly soon, it's installed right there. I can exit out of here. If you go to the top left, the AI diagrams, which you just installed, is installed right now. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can install plugins here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.